We can start now.
So, Prathu, you can turn on your mic.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
So, you have made the model, you have sent the model to me, I have seen it. Now, I would like to know that what are the shapes you have selected for your beams and why have you selected those?
Sir, at first I have selected a circular cross section for the column, sir, because as we are using this for a small model around 15 to 20 centimeters, so there is advantages of using circular cross section, sir, because it has higher resistance to bending moments. Means it won't bend that much easily, sir. Whenever there is huge amount of force on it, then only it will have bending moments, sir. And and the perimeter of this circle is same in every direction, so the buckling will be same all over the perimeter, sir, and there will be less concentration of the stress over the axial directions, and
And
there
for
won't be.
that horizontal beam,
Sir, and the horizontal beam I have selected is a triangular cross section, sir, because this triangle, this angle won't change when load is applied, sir, and it is stable one, sir. This is actually base structure for the truss model also, so that's why I have selected the triangular beams.
so why you should have used that circular beam on instead of triangular beam. Actually, you only told that there will be less stress concentration and bending moment will be less. So when we hang a load at the tip, the stress will mostly generate in that horizontal beam. So it should have been more beneficial if you would have used that circular beam instead of a triangular beam. Okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
And have you calculated the volume, Pardue, of your specimen?
Yes, sir, I have calculated the volumes. It's around
Okay,
3,275 centimeter cubes.
3,275 centimeter cube.
Yes, sir, it is
Okay,
centimeter cube. I am converted to
okay, okay,
meter cube. Yes. Into
okay,
10
okay.
power minus 6, we will get meter cube.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, Pradhu.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Now, Salik Ahmed, you can turn on the mic.
Myself, Salik Ahmed from third year. As I have drawn given shape for column, I have selected square cross section as well as for horizontal beam also we have selected square cross section. This all reason I will explain why I have selected square cross section. I will explain now only. Let me start. As we all know, the formula for the bending stress, that is m my by I. All have usual meaning. M stands for what bending moment. So bending stress, what I said, bending stress is equal to my by I. Now for given loading P, in as well as for square cross section as for circular cross section, I am assuming which one is the best I am trying to uh, explain. So for given loading P, the moment will be what will be the moment, m is equal to PL. So on then I will substitute in that bending stress formula, then the bending stress modified formula will become PLY by I. And those and bending stress maximum will be directly proportional to y max by I, and that I is moment of inertia. And now for same volume of material, when I do some calculation to calculate which section, which cross section having more moment of inertia, so I got I obtained the result that the square cross section having uh, greater moment of inertia for same volume of material. So from this we can conclude that bending stress maximum will be less generated in the square cross section. So obviously it will be the strongest. Uh, as it will be strongest. In other way
Okay,
also we
Salik,
can.
I will have to stop you because we have limited time. So the basic thing you want to say that the square cross section will have the a greater moment of
Moment of
inertia, so it
inertia,
will
moment
result
of
in less
inertia.
bending stress for the
Yes,
same
yes.
volume compared for
This
the
was the
other
my
cross
theme.
sections.
Yes, this was my theme to convey.
Okay, thank you, Salik. So you can turn off your mic. Now I would like to ask Ayushi, are you here?
Salik,
Yes, sir.
Turn on your mic.
Yes, sir, it is already on.
Uh, if any rectangle whose length is A and breadth is B, then what is
Yes,
the moment of inertia?
BDQ by 12, sir.
Huh? And
BDQ.
what about the if the rotation of circle is from the nucleus of the rectangle?
It is BDQ by 12 only, sir.
And what about when it's parallel to the length A? It's something different.
Then I have to apply some parallel axis theorem. Then I will be able to calculate, sir. For the
What is parallel axis theorem? Can you tell?
yes, sir. We need to multiply with distance, I think, sir.
Because in your model you everywhere just explain about the moment of inertia, so you have to also calculate at every moment about the moment of inertia, then you also use the square. That's why I am not asking about square, I am asking about the rectangle. What is the moment of inertia if the we just
It
put
needs
the
to be
parallel,
calculate, sir.
you can only elaborate the what is the parallel axis theorem, that's it.
See, sir. If for central axis we have a moment of inertia, that is, and we will add moment of inertia with the distance, sir.
Okay, you can turn off your mic.
Okay, Ayushi, are you here?
Yes. Good morning,
So I
everyone.
have seen your model, and I have seen that you have put four leg structure, right?
Yes.
So why have you decided to go with that model?
Actually, I used top part is square part because in circular part, if we take that, if I take the upper dimension as 8 centimeter, if we take a circular part, then it takes more area, and so we require more material. So first I choose the top model, top surface as a square, and lower
Your voice is breaking, Ayushi. Sorry to interfere. Hello.
And just a minute. So Sadiq, are you also participating in this CVQ event, or is there
Yes,
anyone else?
yes, I am also
So
part of that
Manas,
event.
can he leave now if you are
Yeah,
done
yeah,
with it?
he can leave. I have
Okay,
texted in
okay,
the chat box.
okay.
now am I audible?
Yeah, no, it's a bit clear.
Okay, so I choose rectangular pillar because it take less material than cylindrical or cuboidal pillar. So in minimum resources, I try to make a, a perfect model so it can sustain more load.
So if you can also use circular model for the same for the minimization of area too, right? Because the area will be depending on the shape and the geometry of the beam of the legs you are putting. So why the rectangulars only, not circular? That's why I'm asking.
Actually, rectangular. If I choose circular area, circular portion, it we can see that its area is pi r square. If I take the radius something, then its area become more. So I take I so I take it take more material. So I choose only rectangular. So rectangular portion. So it take less area.
Are you see?
Yes, sir.
For this loader a folder event, we have to keep in mind that what is the torque, what is the that something bending stress. Can you tell me the what is the formula of the torque?
Yes, sir. R cross F.
Okay. And what about the Newton third law? Because we have I have to also keep in mind that what is the force, what is
Every
the,
action has equal and opposite reaction.
and anyone else who want to put up question, Manas.
No, sir, I'm fine.
And Ayushi, can you tell what is the relation between the bending stress and moment of inertia?
Bending stress and momentum stress. Yes, sir. Bending stress is sir F cross FR, and moment of inertia is we know that WL and FR, and torque is sir R cross F. So there is a relation derived that, sir. I have to 1 minute. I have to calculate.
Okay, I am asking not about the individual formula of both one. I am just asking about the relation. So can you can calculate and just tell me. You have 1 minute only.
Relation between.
Moment of inertia and bending stress. Okay, I see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's it. And you shared a video with me only. Then you just share
So I
with Manas
also
also.
share with
Okay.
Manas.
Yes, sir, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Then it's okay. And you can turn off your mic now.
Thank you, sir.
Manas, anyone also will left for the interactive session? Then you can call now.
No, sir, nobody else has joined. So I think this is over for the load up folder for the participants which have joined this meeting.
And I have one Manvir. Then they also give us interactive session in this only, means at here only.
Siddharth, you can reply.
So I could not get you actually.
Means one more loader uploader participant, Manvir from final year, who also sent me the some photographs of loader uploader module. Then he also give two interactive session, means presentation or viva here only.
Yes, sir, it will be better. It will be useful for the records. So if you can call him, it will be better.
Okay, I'm just asking. Then I will inform you.
Okay, sir. And Manas, just for record, so how many participants have registered for this event in total?
There are 14 participants.
Okay, and how many submitted the final models?
So from the mail, I could check that only five. Sorry, yes, five students.
Okay, so one was Sadiq, Ayushi, Pardhu, Manvir sir,
And Cyborland.
and he's not replying, right, Salman?
No, I have. He just mailed me just before the starting of the event, and I also replied in sending him the link to join. But he hasn't.
Okay, in WhatsApp.
No, no,
Okay,
I mailed him.
Okay,
okay. He is not taking my call. Okay, then I think that's over.
okay, sir.
Uh,
So thank you for joining, everybody, and I'm stopping the recording.
uh, okay. क्या नाम